Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're tackling a topic that's changing faster than you can say algorithm: YouTube and the AI revolution. Remember back in the day when you could just throw in a few keywords and call it a day?
Yeah.
Yeah, those days are long gone. AI is running the show now. And we're here to break down exactly what that means for creators like you. So we've got this awesome article. It's like our AI-powered treasure map for YouTube success, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Get ready to learn some game-changing stuff.
And you know what's really cool?
What's that?
This isn't just about YouTube. It's about how AI is changing the way we find information online, period. So stick around even if you've never uploaded a single video. This stuff's relevant to everyone.
Okay, let's dive in. The article starts by talking about this massive shift from keyword stuffing to something called natural language processing. It's like YouTube's AI is finally learning to speak human.
Exactly. Instead of just looking for exact keyword matches, the AI is now smart enough to understand the intent behind a search. It's kind of freaky, actually, like it's reading our minds.
Okay, so real talk, what does it actually mean for us creators? I mean, I'm all for AI doing the heavy lifting, but how does this change our keyword strategy?
Well, think of it this way. Before, you might have targeted the keyword cake recipes.
Okay.
But now, you need to think about the phrases people actually use when they're craving cake, like easy chocolate cake recipe for beginners, or best cake decorating tips. See the difference?
Yeah, it's way more specific, way more natural. It's like we're talking to a friend, not a robot. Speaking of robots, is this where tools like Jarvis and Surfer SEO come in? The article mentions them as like AI-powered keyword wizards.
That's right. They can analyze tons of successful videos in your niche and figure out what kind of language actually resonates with viewers. It's like having an army of tiny AI elves whispering the secrets of YouTube success in your ear.
Okay, I'm sold. Sign me up for the AI elf army. But seriously, that's pretty amazing. It's like AI is leveling the playing field, giving smaller creators a fighting chance. But wait, there's more. The article also talks about AI's ability to predict audience behavior, which honestly sounds a little bit creepy, but also super cool. Like, can AI actually tell us what's going to be trending before it even happens?
It's getting pretty close. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ can analyze search trends and engagement patterns to spot emerging topics before they explode. Imagine knowing that sourdough baking for beginners was about to take off before everyone was doing it. You'd be way ahead of the curve.
Talk about a competitive edge. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the future of YouTube. I'm starting to think this AI thing isn't so bad after all. All right, so we've got our keywords dialed in. We know what our audience wants. What's next?
Well, this is where things get really strategic. The article introduces this concept of long-tail keywords. These are super specific phrases that target a niche audience.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure. Instead of going for a broad term like weight loss tips, which is super competitive, you could target something like weight loss for busy moms over 40. It's longer, more specific, and speaks directly to a particular group of people.
Ooh, I like that. Less competition, more targeted viewers. It's a win-win. And get this, the article mentions a tool called Morning Fame. That can actually spy on your competitors' keywords. It's like digital espionage for YouTubers.
Well, let's just say it helps you understand what's working for others in your niche by seeing what keywords your competitors are ranking for. You can identify potential gaps in the market and create content that fills those gaps.
Brilliant. So we're not just blindly throwing keywords at the wall anymore. We're being strategic. We're being sneaky. We're becoming AI-powered YouTube ninjas. And hey, speaking of being strategic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Joshi Vaibhav channel. He's the one teaching us all these tricks, so let's show him some love. All right, now back to our regularly scheduled deep dive. We've talked about keywords, audience insights, and even a bit of digital espionage. What else does this AI-powered treasure map have in store for us?
Well, the article highlights another important aspect of YouTube SEO, understanding the questions your audience is actually asking. It's like being a detective. But instead of solving crimes, we're solving viewer problems.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more. How do we figure out what's on our viewers' minds?
There's a tool called Answer the Public that's super helpful for this. It basically scours the internet for questions related to your niche and presents them in a visually appealing way. It's like having a direct line to your audience's subconscious.
So we can see exactly what people are searching for, and then create videos to provide the answers they're craving. Genius. It's like we're handing them the solution on a silver platter. All right, things are getting really interesting now. We've cracked the code on keywords, we're spying on our competitors, and we're reading our viewers' minds. Yeah. What's next on our AI-powered YouTube adventure?
Well, now we're getting into the realm of AI-powered video editing. Get ready to have your mind blown, because this is where things get really futuristic.
Okay, hit me with it.
The article talks about tools like Descript and Adobe Premiere Sensei, which can do some pretty incredible things. Think automatic captions, smart cuts, and even suggestions for optimal video length based on your content niche. It's like having an AI editing assistant by your side.
Hold on. AI can write captions now. That's amazing. And it can tell me how long my video should be. Talk about a time saver. I mean, who needs sleep when you have AI doing all the work right?
Right. But seriously, it's about streamlining the editing process and making sure your videos are optimized for both viewers and the YouTube algorithm. Because as much as we love AI, it's still important to keep the humans, aka your viewers, engaged.
All right, that makes sense.
Right.
We don't want to turn into robots ourselves.
Okay.
We've covered a ton of ground in part 1 of our deep dive. From keywords and audience insights to AI-powered editing tools, it's clear that AI is revolutionizing YouTube in ways we never imagined. But don't worry, we're just getting started. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2, where we'll explore even more mind-blowing AI strategies and tools. And hey, while you're at it, why not head over to Joshi Vibhav's channel and show him some love? He's the human mastermind behind all this awesome AI content, and he deserves all the likes and subscribes. We'll be back soon with more AI-powered YouTube awesomeness. See you then.
Welcome back to the deep dive. We're going to keep diving deeper into the world of AI and YouTube, exploring how this powerful technology is, reshaping the way we create and consume online content.
I am still reeling. From all the AI awesomeness we uncovered in part 1, it's amazing how much this technology can do for creators. From keyword research to video editing. It's like having a whole team of digital assistants working behind the scenes.
It really is. And we're just scratching the surface in this part. We'll be looking at how AI is transforming YouTube analytics, going way beyond those basic view counts we're all used to.
Ooh, sounds intriguing. I'm all about getting those deep insights. What kind of AI-powered magic are we talking about here?
Well, platforms like YouTube Studio and Social Blade are using AI to analyze data in ways we never could before. We're talking about understanding demographics, engagement patterns, and even predicting future trends with incredible accuracy.
Wait, hold up. Predicting future trends. Is AI secretly a time traveler now? I mean, how is that even possible?
It's all about pattern recognition. AI can analyze massive amounts of data, from search trends to social media activity, to identify patterns that humans might miss. This allows it to spot emerging trends before they hit the mainstream.
Okay, that's mind-blowing. So, imagine you're a food vlogger. Could AI tell you what the next viral dessert is going to be? Yeah. Like months before it explodes on TikTok.
Exactly. You could be the first to create a video about the next Dalgona coffee or whatever crazy food trend takes over the internet, giving you a huge advantage over your competition.
That's insane. Talk about a game changer for creators. It's like having a secret weapon in the YouTube Battle Royale.
It really is. But it's not just about predicting viral trends. AI can also help you understand your existing audience in ways you never thought possible. For example, it can tell you the optimal time to upload your videos based on when your viewers are most active.
So instead of just guessing when people are online, we can actually know for sure. That's pretty awesome. Like AI is our personal scheduling assistant, making sure our videos reach the right people at the right time.
Right, and it can go even deeper than that. Imagine knowing that 70% of your viewers are Gen Z. This might influence your editing style, the music you use, or even the topics you cover. It's about tailoring your content to resonate with the specific audience you're trying to reach.
That makes total sense. If most of your viewers are teenagers, you're probably not going to make videos about retirement planning. Speaking of targeting, the article mentions something called personalization at scale. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Fill me in. What's the deal with that?
It's pretty wild. AI can analyze your audience's viewing habits and segment them into different groups based on their interests. This allows you to create multiple versions of your content, tailored to each specific subgroup.
Okay, I need an example. My brain is struggling to keep up with all this AI awesomeness.
Sure. Let's say you're a tech reviewer. You could have shorter, quick tip videos for casual viewers and more in-depth technical guides for hardcore enthusiasts. This way, everyone gets the content that's most relevant to them.
That's brilliant. It's like having a personalized YouTube experience for every single viewer. It's almost like AI is reading their minds and serving up exactly what they want to see.
It's getting close. And as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated forms of personalization in the future.
This is all very exciting, but also a bit scary.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, where does it end? Is AI going to take over our lives completely?
That's a great question, and one that a lot of people are asking.
All right.
Remember, AI is ultimately a tool. It's up to us, the humans, to decide how we use it. Will we let it control us? Or will we use it to enhance our creativity and connect with audiences in more meaningful ways?
Food for thought. It's like we're standing at a crossroads. We have to choose the right path. Do we embrace AI as a powerful ally? Or do we fear it as a potential threat? And hey, while we're pondering the future of AI, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Joshi Vaibhav's channel. He's the human behind all this awesome AI content, and he deserves all the support he can get. Let's show him some love before the robots take over. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled deep dive. We've covered a ton of ground in part 2. From AI-powered analytics to the mind-boggling concept of personalization at scale. But we're not done yet. Join us for part 3, where we'll wrap up our exploration of AI and YouTube, leaving you with some final thoughts to ponder as you navigate this brave new world of online content creation. See you there. Welcome back to the final part of our AI-powered YouTube journey. It's been a wild ride exploring how this technology is changing the game for creators like you. From keyword strategies to audience insights, it feels like we've uncovered, like CG Treasure, the secret recipe for YouTube success.
Absolutely. We've gone deep into the world of AI. From analyzing data and optimizing videos to the mind-boggling concept of personalization at scale. But the journey doesn't end here. The real question is, what does the future hold for AI and YouTube?
Right. What's next? We're going to see like AI-generated virtual YouTubers hosting their own shows, cracking jokes that only robots find funny, and telling us to smash that like button.
Well, AI-generated avatars are already a thing, so it's not entirely out of the question. But I think the real power of AI lies in its ability to, augment human creativity, not replace it entirely. It's about finding that sweet spot where humans and machines work together to create something truly special.
Okay, I like that. A human-AI dream team, taking YouTube to the next level. So imagine a world where creators can use AI to brainstorm video ideas, refine their scripts, and even personalize content for different viewers. It's like having an AI co-pilot on your YouTube journey.
Exactly. It's about leveraging technology to tell better stories, connect with audiences on a deeper level, and ultimately, create content that's both engaging and impactful. Think of it this way. AI can handle the technical stuff, like optimizing your video for search, while you, the human creator, can focus on the creative vision, the storytelling, and the emotional connection with your audience.
That's a future I can definitely get behind. But as with any powerful technology, there are always those, ethical considerations.
Lurking in the background.
Right. I mean, AI is getting smarter by the day, and it's only natural to wonder, where's the line between helpful tool and potential overlords?
That's a valid concern, and one that we shouldn't shy away from. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we need to be mindful of how it's being used, who's controlling it, and what impact it might have on society as a whole. It's a conversation that needs to happen, and the sooner the better.
You're right. It's like we're standing at the edge of a new frontier, and we need to proceed with both excitement and caution. AI has the potential to be an incredible force for good, but we have to be careful not to let it get away from us. And hey, speaking of incredible forces for good, let's not forget about Joshi Vaibhav channel. He's the human mastermind behind all this awesome AI content, sharing his knowledge and helping creators navigate this rapidly changing landscape. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and show him some love. He deserves all the likes and subscribes in the world, especially before the AI takes over and starts subscribing to itself. Just kidding. Or am I? All right, back to our deep dive. As we wrap up this exploration of AI and YouTube, what's the one takeaway you want our listeners to remember?
I think the most important thing is to embrace the possibilities. While remaining critical and engaged, AI is here to stay, and it's going to continue to shape the world around us. The key is to learn about it, understand its potential, and use it wisely.
I love that. Embrace the possibilities, stay critical, and use it wisely. Words to live by in the age of AI. Well, folks, it looks like we've reached the end of our deep dive into the fascinating world of AI and YouTube. We hope you've enjoyed the journey and learned a thing or two along the way. Remember, the future is what we make it. So go out there, create amazing content, embrace the power of AI, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And hey, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below telling us your thoughts on AI and the future of online content. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and keep creating.